Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the 30% tax withholding from your Amazon KDP account. So log into your account and click on your account. Go to tax information. So as you can see, my applicable withholding rate is 0%. So I'll show you how I did that. So click on views, provide tax information. Tax information interview. This is the interview you feed when you initially opened your account. So if you are watching this video, you have not yet opened an Amazon KDP account, or you are about to, follow the steps from here. So click on take interview. Select language. My language is English. If you speak Russian, Italian, Polish, you can select French. So but mine is English. So about you. What is your tax classification? Individual. Are you a US citizen? No, I'm not a US citizen. But if you are a US citizen, click yes. Are you acting as an intermediary agent? No, I'm not. Tax identity information. Full name. Put your full name there. See, country of citizenship. I'm from Nigeria, so I place Nigeria. Any country you are from, you can select it. So now, permanent address. So let me edit this. So I choose South Africa for your permanent address. Country of citizenship is Nigeria, but choose South Africa for your permanent address. Choose South Africa for your permanent address. Go online and search for South Africa address, but you can also check on the description. I place a link there that can assist you in getting South Africa address. Then when you place your South Africa address, click done. Instantly they will remove it. But there's a thing you have to do first before you save. Go down, mailing address, click same as permanent address. I have a non-US team. For the team value, place your national identity number there. Place your national identity number there for the team value. Then click save and continue. Instantly they'll remove it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment for more content like this.